Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to insert Google Spreadsheet into the Google Docs. So here I would open my Google Docs. Now how to insert the Google Spreadsheet into here. There is two kind of insert. First, you can insert as a link just by click this add symbol, and then you can find the files you want to insert. For example, this one. So this is the link of spreadsheet. Now if you want to insert the table from the Google Sheet, you just open your Google Sheet, and then here you can copy any table, any cells you want to insert to the Google Docs, and then just Control V, and then find this link to spreadsheet. Click paste. It will be automatically update. I mean, not automatically, but it can update it by you. For example, I want to type in here update, and then here will be you can see this update button. You just click update. Now this cells is already updated immediately. Okay, this is this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.